There's another one. Look, Mike. Dad, look. Is that how you start that one like that? Oh. There's one starting right now too. Over there. Here, there it is. There it is.
I really wanted to go up in the Legacy, but this thing is awesome.
I bet that one's the seaplane, Mike.
Sometimes I
take
this
off.
really
That was, I think it was that orange one and stuff, probably.
Yeah. It sounds like a pot-bellied pig.
Is that a gyro plane? Oh,
See the back on this.
right,
It's on top.
right. Oh, it is?
Yeah, see the top.
Yeah.
Instead of being up like this.
Oh, like this. But the thing's on top, I think. Yeah. Yep, that's the seaplane, I think, Mike. I think, yeah. That one? I've never heard, yeah. So, Dad, if you're flying a plane like that, do you have to wear like headphones? Yeah, there's the seaplane, Mike.
God gave these men the towers.
They coming in.
I think. See it?
The wings are just a distraction.
What's he doing?
Just checking oil and stuff.
Exactly.
Oh,
He gonna start it up.
that one.
We all heard very
Look, where's the seaplane? Oh, I think that's like the same one we see at the at that yellow one too. I've never learned how to fly before. Only on my Xbox and stuff.
It's like riding a motorcycle.
Yep.
Zero tolerance.
Right?
Otherwise, you don't walk away.
There it is, Mike.
Yep, I see. See him coming
Now, Dad,
in. Yeah.
why is the motor on top like that?
Unless it lands on the water.
Oh, it does?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, it lands on the water.
there's one coming in with the V, Mike.
This one come look at it. Coming in for a landing.
The one
Now
with,
he's taking off.
yeah. How do they put the landing gear up like this?
Folds up. See it? See it folds
Yeah. So it's different than like these, right? Oh.
Yeah, it's different.
There's one I think taking off somewhere, I think. There's one, Mike. Mike. I think it's taking off or something. You have to have some kind of license? What kind? Oh. What motor's in that? This one.
Thunderbolt.
Really? P47?
No. No, he's just standing here. He was just standing here watching the plane.
There's one about to take off too, Pops. Dude, they might be fun getting ready to fly this glider one, dude.
Yeah, but they're fine.
What? Okay. Tell her I'm coming.